All right, so I like stopped, started, started recording all day today because I was like, let me do something because I felt a little lethargic and lazy, and I was like, let me do something, keep my momentum going, my mojo going, and like I don't want to get to a point where I'm creating these videos because I have to. I want to, do it because I want to, right? And that's like a daily sort of a fight. So definitely going to reevaluate this 90-day challenge. Like once it's over, we're halfway through, right? 45, 46 videos in. So we're a little bit more than halfway. And I'm trying to figure out my direction because I've been sitting on a couple of ideas, and my motto, right, is ideas are useless unless you can take immediate action on them. So just going to reevaluate and be like, yo, because with this channel is basically started off with me trying to build this fitness business. I am very in tune with program design, but yet my audience has not arrived yet, and it's like, am I ready to continue to talk about program design? I know a ton of trainers who are awesome at programs, right? And it's like, should I make how-to program designs? I haven't found that niche yet. But then again, I don't want to be confined to a specific niche or niche, whatever you want to call it, because I'm into so many different things. I love music. I love fitness. I love watching movies and TV shows, like TV series shows. I like to talk about these type of things. So it's pretty much stuck in this little gray area where it's like, and then I have a passion for making videos. I have a passion for shooting videos and like creating content. So there's all of these things that's just like tugging me in different directions, and here I lie in the middle, going crazy. Like, what should I talk about? And that's just the growing struggle. So I just asked myself the question, like, if you had your own TV show, what would you be talking about, right? If you had your own radio show, what would you be talking about? And that goes hand in hand with like my YouTube videos and also the podcast that I just released. So it's like, what do I talk about on like the Caesar Life show, right? And I would want to talk about it all. So this is me just going forward, moving forward, is just going to just document me going through these specific motions. And if there are people out there that share the same interests, hence I'll have to start and build this community. And then in building the community, I'll just build and create products and services that will serve this community. So look, I just answered my own question. So you see, this is exactly the sort of thing I need to bring structure to my life, because I was just like rattling all day and I'm like, what do I talk about? But then camera comes on and I'm just like, all right, nice and easy, flowing through. Anyways, there's just a lot to do at this point, and I'm looking to kick off 2019 super strong, like getting a ton of my checklists off. Like one of the big things that I wanted to do before the year turns was create this mastermind group, and we're about to have our second meeting tomorrow afternoon. So this is where we set our primary objective. And the primary objective that we want to set, or that I would like to set, is one of the biggest goals that I have for 2019. So super nervous and super excited at the same time. And yeah, man, just going to continue to roll out this content and continue to plug away at this thing, because like I'm in it for the long haul, for life, but still got some things I gotta iron out up here, because it all lies within me, and I just gotta be able to become more aware of these little things that's happening internally. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Once again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, holla at your boy. Let's get it.